Good morning, Vanana. Myself, D. Anwar. I am from SRIT Institution of Technology. I am here to discuss about the topic Principle and Applications of NMR Spectroscopy. NMR Spectroscopy in Chemistry. Introduction to NMR Spectroscopy. NMR stands for Nucleus Magnetic Resonance. Spectroscopy is a powerful analysis technique used to determine the structure of organic compounds. It is used to define the structures of organic compounds. It explores the magnetic properties of certain atom, nuclei, primary hydrogen and carbon. It explains about the magnetic properties of carbon and primary hydrogen. The technique provides detailed information about the molecular environment, allowing for the educational of complex structures. It explains about the complex structures too. Basic principle of NMR. NMR spectroscopy relies on the absorption of radio frequency radiation by nuclei in a magnetic field. While placed in a magnetic field, nuclei with non-zero magnetic momentum can align with or against the field. Certain energy creates. The transition between these states upon radiation leads to resonance, which detects and transforms into a spectrum. The role of magnetic fields. A strong external magnetic field is a crucial for NMR experiments as the influence the energy levels of the nucleus. The Landmore frequency, which is the frequency at which the nuclei resonate, is directly proportional to the strength of the magnetic field. Variations in the magnetic field can lead to difference in resonance frequency, enabling detailed chemical analysis. External magnetic field. When placed in a external field, spinning protons acts as bar magnets. Chemical shift. Chemical shift is a key concept in NMR that refers to the variation to resonance frequency due to the electronic environment around a nucleus. It is measured in parts per million, which stands for ppm, and provides into the molecular structures and functional groups. Understanding chemical shifts, allowing to difference between similar compounds and identify structures features. Spin-spin coupling. Spin-spin coupling occurs when neighbor nuclei interact, leading to splitting of NMR signals to multiples. The phenomena provides information about the number and types of neighboring protons in a molecule. Enhancing these patterns helps in reducing the connectivity and arrangement of atoms with a compounds. Spin-spin coupling. Consider A and B, which are three bonds away from another in a molecule. The spins of each molecule are either allied with the external fields. These fields are N bond S, S bond N, N bond S, called spin up, are proportional to the external field. The fields are N bond N, S bond S, called sit down. The types of NMR spectroscopy. There are several types of NMR spectroscopy, including 1D and 2D NMR, each serving different analysis purpose. 1D NMR provides basic information about the molecular structures, which 1D stands for. It gives the some of the information for molecular structures. With 2D NMR offers more complex data, revealing in interaction between nucleus. 2D, which is gives the information lot about structures of molecule. The techniques like COSY, HSQC, and NOESY are essential for education indicator molecule architectures. Applications of organic chemistry. NMR spectroscopy is a extensive used for determination the structure of organic compounds in both academic and industrial settings. It is important for two academic and industrial settings. It aids in defining functional groups, stoichiometry, and comfortable analysis of molecules. The non-destructive nature of NMR it ideal for characterizing precocious samples without aligning them. Applications of NMR spectroscopy: hydrogen bonding, drug screen and design, native embers protein, metabolic analysis, chemical analysis, and etc. Applications in pharmaceuticals. In the pharmaceuticals industry, NMR is a crucial for drug discovery and development parties in the structure education, which it stands for dividing the drugs like tablets and etc. It helps in the monetizing the purity of compounds and understanding drug report indicators. It also indicates the drug, drug indicators. NMR also be applied in the analysis complex mixtures such as natural products and biological samples. Thank you for this opportunity.